Okay, so I completely forgot that I needed to record this, but I am getting ready for a Halloween party. This is the second weekend that we're going out to a Halloween Halloween weekend. It's the second Halloween weekend, it's the third Halloween party, and possibly fourth. We may be going to two. I'm not quite sure yet. I'm trying to get ready. The girls are supposed to already be on their way here. I'm not ready in the slightest. And I thought these bobby pins were gonna work, and they're not working. I don't know what I'm gonna do right now. I want these to stick up. You know what? I have some butterfly pins from last week's costume. Maybe those will work. Like, they're not even butterflies. They're flowers. Do I have any pins? These? No. Okay. I'm over here making a mess. My costume is red, but oh, I don't like that. Do we like that? Maybe. Weird. No, I don't like that. What did that one do? That one just ate my clip. I'm going through it over here clearly. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of experimenting with my hair. And if you like the way it turns out, shoot, ask for a tutorial. Maybe I could do this again for you. Okay, I will not be doing these clips again though, because what the heck just happened in my head? Okay, yeah, we're not gonna do that. But how do I put this up here? I want this to stay. Does that clip? That kind of holds nicely. Okay, let's take you out. Goodness. Okay, I'm gonna finish getting ready. I'll put on my costume. I'll let you know how things are going. The girls might be here. So they're already in costume. Let's go. The girls are all here, and I told you we're on our way to the event. What party is it? It's a Vation event, right?
Yeah.
We'll put up the flyer. We're literally around the corner. It took us forever to change our costumes because she forgot her skirt. Of course. So thanks. Sorry. We'll show you how it is when we get there. It is an 18+ event. So, see you there. Nikki.
Nikki's so cute.
Oh, somebody died? Look at this long ass line. I'm gonna die. It's too cold.